Hi, welcome to the Cordon Bleu's Open Day here at our Sydney Ryde campus. This is a unique opportunity for us to open our doors and showcase what we do here on the campus. It's an opportunity for you to come and sample what it's like to be a student here at the Ryde campus and what the classes are like. We've got a molecular gastronomy demonstration where you get hands-on and see the science behind food cooking. We're also doing demonstrations that showcase the amazing skills of our lecturers, aided by our students. Students will also be performing their own demonstrations of marzipan making. We have chocolate making, and for those of you that enjoy oysters and seafood, we're going to be doing some oyster shucking and tasting.
It's a great time here on Open Day, and I've been flambéing for the guests, and it's great to showcase what I've been doing these past 6 weeks, or in the short time that I've been here, and just communicating with the future students and kind of talking about what I've been doing. It's just great to interact with them, and I hope they'll enjoy their future course here.
That's 100 pearls per press.
I study Advanced Diploma in Hospitality Management. I graduated Phase 3 course last year. I love what I'm doing here in the Open Day to show my skills and to show a little bit chocolate work and sugar work to the new potential students. I love every second, and